In this video, I'll show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings and give your PC a fresh start. If you find this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials. Before we begin, keep in mind that resetting Windows can remove apps, settings, and, depending on the option you choose, your personal files. So, make sure you back up anything important before continuing. First, click the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. You can also use Windows Search and type Settings. Once Settings is open, select System from the menu on the left. Then scroll down and click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, find Reset this PC and click Reset PC. You'll now see two main options. The first is Keep My Files. This option removes installed apps and resets your Windows settings while keeping your personal files. The second option is Remove Everything. This completely removes your personal files, apps, and settings, giving you a much cleaner fresh start. If you choose this option, make absolutely sure you have backed up everything important. For this guide, we'll select Remove Everything. Next, Windows will ask how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows, or Local Reinstall, which uses the Windows files already stored on your PC. If you want to avoid downloading Windows again, choose Local Reinstall. Windows will then show you a summary of the reset. Carefully review the settings and make sure you understand what will be removed. When everything looks correct, click Next and then review the final confirmation screen. Your PC will restart during the process, and the reset may take some time. Make sure your laptop is connected to power and don't turn off the computer while Windows is resetting. Once the process is complete, Windows 11 will start up like a fresh installation, and you can go through the setup process again. And that's how you can reset Windows 11 to factory settings. Choose the reset option that best fits your needs, and always back up important files before starting.